So we are back now. The famous cigarette lighter Zippo has come out with kind of like a little survival little matchstick holder, so I decided to make my own. Now all this is two little flanges from two Coke bottles. You can see Coke Zero and just normal classic Coke, and all it is a bit of conduit or plastic PVC pipe cut to whatever length that you like, and the lids just get screwed on as so. Now you can, obviously I've mismatched. I've got obviously red and black, but you can have red, black, or this version here, or Diet Coke, which I think is silver. But yeah, so that's a quick little DIY hack. You can paint this any color if you wanted to. You could paint it, fluoro yellow, or bright yellow, bright pink, bright green, anything that's going to stand out. But yeah, that's my version of the little Zippo Typhoon kit. Pretty much costs nothing to make, actually. So yeah, so both of the lids come off. One of these is just slipped on there, as you can see, but a little bit of epoxy would work a treat. But yeah, so that's it. So the paint job come out really nicely on that. I don't have any matches, but I was thinking that I could put some fishing lines, some hooks, some sinkers, stuff like that inside it. But yeah, it come up pretty good, really simple. And yeah, so feel free to comment, like, and subscribe.